Dear students, in the previous video of types of quadrilaterals, we have learned about the different categories of quadrilaterals, that is parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, kite. Now in this video, we are going to learn about polygons. A polygon is a closed figure made by joining line segments where each line segment intersects exactly two others. Is this a polygon? Why or why not? No. Polygons are called closed figures. Is this a polygon? Why or why not? No. It is not made up of line segments. Is this a polygon? Why or why not? No. It is not a polygon because its sides do not intersect in exactly two places each. Observe the following figures. Here figures first, third and fifth are polygons, but second, fourth and sixth are not. This is because figure second is not closed figure, fourth crosses itself and figure 6 is not entirely made of straight line. Polygons are of two types. First, regular polygon. Second, irregular polygon. Now let us understand what is regular polygons. If all the sides and angles of a polygon are equal, then the polygon is called a regular polygon. An equilateral triangle and a square are the examples of regular polygons because in an equilateral triangle and a square, all the sides and all the angles are equal. Now, irregular polygon. A polygon in which all the sides and all the angles are not equal is called an irregular polygon. A scalene triangle, an isosceles triangle and a rectangle are the examples of irregular polygons. Are these regular polygons? Why or no, why not? No, these sides are all the different lengths and the angles are all different. So they are not regular polygons. Now let us understand what is vertex. The vertex of an angle is the point where the two rays that form the angle intersect. Vertex of a polygon. The vertices of a polygon, or you can say corners, are the points where its sides intersect, as you can see in the figure. Now, irregular polygons. Irregular polygons like isosceles triangle, it has two equal sides, scalene triangles which has no equal sides, and right triangles which has only one angle equal. So these all are irregular polygons. Regular polygons. Regular polygons are like equilateral triangles where all the three sides are equal and all the three angles are equal. And if you see the second shape square, here also all the angles are equal and sides are equal. So these are regular polygons. Irregular quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals you have already learned. The figure which has four sided is called quadrilaterals. For example, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite. These all are having irregular sides. So they are irregular quadrilaterals. Regular pentagon. Pentagon which has five sides. So when all the sides in the first figure, if you see, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EA. And all the angles like angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D is equal to angle E. So this is a regular pentagon because it's all the sides and all the angles are equal. But if you see the second figure, here all the sides are unequal. So it is a irregular pentagon. If you see the next figure, that is regular hexagon. Hexagon means six-sided figure. So here all the sides like AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FA. Here all the sides are equal. And if you see the angles, like angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to angle E is equal to angle F. So here all the angles are also equal. So this is a regular hexagon. So if we'll talk about irregular hexagon, it is also a six-sided figure, but it's all the sides and angles are unequal. Same in case of heptagon, which is of seven-sided figure. Here also it's all the sides are equal and angles are equal. If you see irregular heptagon, here all the sides are irregular and all the angles are also irregular. So this is a seven-sided figure also, but its sides and angles are unequal. If you talk about octagon, that is eight-sided figure, that is all the sides like AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FG is equal to GH is equal to HA. Here and if we'll talk about the angles, like angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to angle E is equal to F, G, H, and like this all the angles and sides are equal. So this is a regular octagon. And if we'll talk about irregular octagon, this is also a eight-sided figure, but all the sides are unequal. So these are some of the differences between the regular and irregular sides. Let's see the sides of the polygon. If we'll talk about one, that is a nonagon, hanagon, 2 is digon, 3 is triangle, 4 is quadrilateral, 5 is pentagon, 6 is hexagon, 7 is heptagon, 8 is octagon, 9 is nonagon, 10 is decagon, 11 is hendecagon, 12 is didecagon, 13 is tridecagon, 14 is tetradecagon, 15 is pentadecagon, 16 is hexadecagon, 17 is heptadecagon, 18 is octadecagon, 19 is enodecagon, 20 is icosagon. So these are all the polygons. Thank you and have a nice day.